An unquenchable thirst for continued learning is not just a core value, it's a competitive advantage of this law firm. When you work in a particularly niche area of law, you're likely to come in contact with attorneys who have spent decades accumulating knowledge specific to that practice area. And the only way that we are going to have a chance, whether it's in a contract negotiation or in some sort of a dispute resolution proceeding, of holding our own against these other lawyers who have committed themselves to their craft, is if we're equally committed. I've talked about how I'm very lucky to have had outstanding mentors, brilliant men and women who brought me along and taught me much of what I know today. But one of the reasons why I've been able to take that learning and deploy it meaningfully for my clients is I was very thirsty. I was very hungry. I had this unquenchable desire to learn more and more. And every video that I've shot, every article that I've written, every speech that I've given, all of the classes that I taught when I was teaching construction law at John Marshall Law School, every little bit of those extracurricular activities developed and my understanding of design and construction law and took it to a new level. And so the unquenchable thirst for learning that we're looking for around here is expressed in employees not just necessarily doing extracurricular activities for their own sake, but really throwing themselves into the idea that every client engagement, every discussion with a judge, with opposing counsel, every contract, every dispute, every opportunity to read a brief or to conduct any research is really just an opportunity for you to continue to develop more and more knowledge that you can deploy for your clients.